Okay, so we're back, and this is the second day with the flooring. You guys are just finishing up now. The place looks dramatically different already. Just getting that old carpet out starts to make it feel like it's almost there, even though there's still a bunch of stuff to do. But it's a lot closer now than it was. So what they're doing right now is they're just putting on the shoe molding. So that's the last part. Let me flip this around for you. See the difference. Obviously these floors are not cleaned up completely, but dramatically different than it was before. So that's it for today. Nothing else going on because tomorrow Kika will be back in here and we will start finishing up the tiles in the bathroom, and then we're adding the painting of the cabinets. Remember we showed this the other day. It just didn't make sense to not, you can see the difference already with the flooring as it transitions into the bathroom. So you can see over here, it's gonna look a lot better when we paint these cabinets. Flip this around. So those will be white when we're all done. And new appliances will be going in. And that'll finish everything off in here, other than the lighting, which we're gonna change as well. No pool table lighting. So that's it for today. Back tomorrow, later in the afternoon, so you can see the difference once the bathrooms start to take a little bit more shape. And on the list, I've been showing this, been kind of talking about this outdoor space a lot. We gotta get out here, I'm gonna get those power wash, the stones, and a little pruning, a little trimming, and then we've got to get some plants and some different stone in there because it's just not shining the way it should, and that's really a major selling point for this particular property because of the outdoor space. It's nearly 700 square feet of private outdoor space, 1 block from Whole Foods. So that's next. See you tomorrow. Thanks for checking this one out. And if you have any comments or questions, obviously, or if you have anybody that's interested, we're getting closer. So now's the time to message me. Take care. Have a great day. Are you able to put in this closet?
In here?
Yeah.
I don't think so. We're supposed to put it there?
Yeah, because now it looks completely different.
Oh, because what I understand, and you tell me just the carpet area.
So that last part in there, the little closet area and the laundry closet area, which is less of a concern, but the more I thought about it, that already had the pre-engineered wood on it. And the one small closet area in the master suite had that as well, but it was not the same. So since we changed it, we wanted to have that the same. So that's why we had that conversation about that, because it didn't match up. And while it's fine, it was obviously much better than the carpet. It just doesn't look right. So it's just a small area, but I don't want you to open a closet and then you see this contrast in the wood. So that's bugged me. So they're gonna come back another day, which is fine because we still have another week and a half of work and finishing up, and just go ahead and get it done 100% so it all looks the same. That's it. So little minor detail, and what I'm preventing is somebody else saying, opening the closet and saying, well, I wonder why they didn't do that. And then you always get where you can explain. But if you have to explain to somebody, hey, this is here, this is how you do it. No, it should be when you open a closet, there should not be any like part of your brain, anybody's brain, that says, "Ooh, I wonder why they did that, or why they didn't put this flooring in there, why they left this one in there." So I always like to eliminate those. It's like if it's outside of a house and there's some rotted wood around the window frame, if you let someone in on that, they see that, well, then the mind starts racing and it starts to wonder if there's another problem. And so you want to eliminate that. Even if there wasn't, you've opened the door, and there's just that little thing in their head. Now this would be less of an issue with that than potentially water from rotted wood, and then maybe it's inside the house, but still, it's something that's easily eliminatable. So we're gonna eliminatable it. All right, so that's it. We'll see you on the next day. Take care. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.